Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to cut videos on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Capcut application, and you can just click a new project if you want to cut your new video. But here I will show you from my previous project. So on my previous project I already have the video here, like 3 videos on this project, but if you can see the duration is quite different, so I want to change this duration to shorter. So for the first, I already have 5 seconds, so I want to make it shorter by go with the 2 seconds like here, or 3 seconds, or no 2 seconds is enough. And you just need to make sure that this straight line is stopped in the right positions, just as you wish. And after that, just click to edit, and after you go into the edit, just go with split. And after that, you need to decide which part that you want to keep. If you want to keep the first part, means this part, so you have to edit the second part. How to edit the second part? Just need to click it, make it active, and after that you just need to delete it. Okay, so for the next clip, I want to make it with, how many seconds is it? Oh, this is also have a 2 seconds, so I just want to make it 2 seconds too, so I know I will not gonna cut it. But for the third clip, it's quite long, it's 11 seconds, so I want to make it shorter, so I want it to be stopped at 7. So you just need to do the same, click the clip, and after that just split and decide which part that you want to delete. After that you just need to delete, and now your clip is being shorter. Let's have a try. See this video. Okay, and that's all the way how you cut the video on a Capcut. If you find out this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.